Hello, I'm Mr. Smeck, the Automotive Technology Instructor here at Ford Hayes Career Center. Today we're going to be discussing computer wheel balance. This is building on our unit of tires and wheels. Have you ever driven in a car and had the steering wheel shake, or you felt a shimmy from the seat? Most likely the cause is an out of balance wheel assembly. Today I'm just going to give you a brief preview of how this is repaired. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take the tire and wheel assembly off the vehicle. Always have your safety glasses on. You want to be safe. Next thing we're going to do is remove the center cap from the wheel assembly. You have an opening here where the wheel would mount onto the vehicle. We need to select the cone that's going to adapt it to the machine. You need to select the cone that best fits the wheel assembly. And you have one that fits snug, that's the one you need to go with. You're going to install that onto the wheel balancer, and what we're using is state-of-the-art Hunter wheel balancer equipment. You install the wheel on there, then you take the locking wing nut, spin it onto the machine, and you want to make sure that it's firm, but you do not want to over tighten it against the wheel. Once the wheel is securely mounted to the machine, you're going to come over here to the computer part of it. Now this is a piece of technology that has a lot of internal circuitry, so you need to be careful with it. First thing we need to do is select what type of weight. And then this screen comes up and asks, where would you like the weight at? Since we have lips on the inside and outside of the wheel, we are going to select the picture with the weights on the inside and the outside. We're going to click OK. The next thing we're going to do is take the measurements. You have an arm for the inside. It's going to go against the inside of the lip. You have an arm that goes against the outside of the lip. When you met where they go, you push on the brake, and that locks in your measurements. With the new style equipment, it does the measurement for you. Our older machines down here, you have to actually physically take the measurements yourself. Once that is done, you have a hood assembly that you're going to close, and it's going to spin this wheel to simulate it's on a vehicle at 55 to 60 miles per hour. We're going to wait just a couple seconds. It comes up. The wheel is out of balance, 1.75 ounces. Now that is quite a bit, and that will cause a vibration. Anything over a quarter ounce, you're subject to a vibration. Now we need to select a weight to cover that 1.75. So I've selected a 1.75 ounce weight. The arrow tells you it's at the top of the wheel. You line it up with the alignment mark. You place the wheel on there, place the wheel weight on there. Hammer it down, be careful not to smash your finger. Lower the hood back. And when you get the OK to come up, you have successfully completed the tire balance. I hope you learned something from that, and bring your questions and comments to class for further discussion.